Hello friends, how you all doing? Have you ever been frustrated from a simple task of trying to put the thread through the needle eye? In today's video I'm gonna show you a cool trick how to do it easily. All we need for this trick is obviously a needle and a thread. I'm gonna use two different needles. One has a big eye, like this. Another one has very tiny eye. So what you wanna do is to put thread like this and set needle eye up. And now watch this, guys. Look at this. The thread is in the needle now. Isn't that crazy? Now let's see if it's gonna work with this needle. It has very tiny eye. Okay, so we're gonna set it like this. Alright, here we go. Worked as well. Thread is in the needle again. Isn't it awesome? Obviously, to get the thread through the bigger eye is way easier than the small eye. But if you do it enough times, it's actually get easier. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and I'll see you next time. And now watch this, guys. Of course, first time doesn't work. So what you want to do is to set the needle